Hello and welcome. Hope everybody doing great. So this video is related to the MEP engineers who want to love technicals and how to get the technical resources quickly as a MEP engineer. I have interacted more than 3,000 MEP engineers in last one and a half years. And there is many are my students from not only India, there is a various part of the world. And this video is particularly you will watch after this introduction. That is basically a live classes taken from my live class, and where I have explained to my students, all the paid students, that how fast you can learn MEP technicals, MEP technical resources. So I have guided each and everything, and there is a very easy way I have explained. So there is some small portion of that particular live classes video I am uploading here, so that you can also understand some basic concept and how to apply in your life. And in this, go through this video. It's very useful as a MEP professional. If you are just starting your career, or you may working since long time, but there is certain rules you need to follow. Okay, so some of the things sometimes engineers are not following. So what are the things you have to do when you are starting a project in your career, or whenever you are just you have an experience but you are jumping in the different company or a different project. Okay, how to start a project, what are the things you need to do, and how fast you can grasp all the informations, all the technical nitty-gritty. Okay, you can understand from this particular video. And if you want to go in details, you want to go in more, you want to know all the resources, how to get all the resources, it is very easy. Just go to the description box. There is a link, and there is a community group also there. So just go there, join in the group, and attend the free workshop. Attend my free workshop, which is normally I'm conducting every Sunday at 11 a.m. So attend the live workshop, or you can directly join the MCGHUB also. So there is some few bucks you need to pay for that. So if you want to do that process directly, and right now you can start immediately, you can learn all the things related to MEP system, MEP project management. And what is this particular video, basically what I'm sharing with you, that is how fast you can get all the MEP related technical stuff. Okay, so but this entire video is already there in the MCGHUB, but only thing is that you have to be part of that particular community. So just go through this next video. It's a very small video, I think for 10 to 15 minutes. Just go through so that you can understand at least what is this. And if you have to go in details, just go to the description box and join the MCGHUB. Thank you, and subscribe my channel so that you will get more videos, such kind of videos. Okay, I will upload, and share your comments so that I can upload based on your comments. Okay, all the videos. Thank you, and watch this video, next video.
This is the MEP system technical knowledge resources. So I know everybody know about the MEP system. I know it is you all are experienced here. Who are here right now, all of you are experienced. Somehow you know all the systems, right? But I have seen many people they want to get each and every technical knowledge. Like I'm giving an example in electrical system or in electrical system. Okay, they want to know all the control systems, the troubleshooting also, and they want to understand the chiller management system in the HVAC or electrical, maybe the synchronization with the DG and the transformer, how it is happening, and what is the software changes is happening. They want to know everything, each and everything, all the technical nitty-gritty, right? Even though there is a humming sound in the transformer, how to reduce that sound, that need to understand the transformer oil, how to change the transformer oil. Because I am not interested in all those things, and that is the reasons I am not making any video about all those stuffs. Okay, that is not my motto. My motto is something different, and whatever stuffs I'm telling you, that is very easy to learn, easy to understand. But what is the basic things is required as the technical knowledge also, so that you will be well equipped. Okay, you will be well equipped to execute your project in a effectively or efficient way. So that is the concept. That is the concept right now I am tell with you, and you may know all those things. Okay, I know many people have know these things, but little concentration is required, and this process can follow anybody. Okay, and it's a very simple process. If you don't know anything about any system, how to get knowledge about that system, what is the process you need to follow. Suppose you will join a project tomorrow and you don't know about the electrical system, you know about the HVC system and the other firefighting system and all those stuffs, right? So how will you gather all the technical knowledge quickly, maybe within 1 month or 2 months in your project, without taking any learning teaching from somebody else? Okay, everything by yourself. How you can able to handle all those things? So that point of view, I'm going to tell you right now. So MEP systems, technical knowledge resources. So I'm talking and how to learn MEP systems. Okay, so there is 2 points. I would like to discuss about the internal or the in-house resources. There is some resources, it is already there internally in your project. I'm giving an example about a project. Suppose you are working in a project in a company. So there is an internal or in-house resources already available. Okay, so how to utilize those resources and how to get more information, more knowledge, that we'll explore. And the next I'll tell you about the external resources. So these 2 ways you can apply in your life in any time, and you will get much more resourceful to know and understand anything about the MEP system. Let's start. What is this? Before that, everybody avoid these wrong practices. Maybe you are not following this, but many people are following sequence. Immediately when a project is starting, or when you transfer to another project, or you are just join any new company, what you people are searching many times, it is a BOQ. Starting your project with a BOQ. Okay, bill of quantity, right? So when you get the BOQ of electrical or the HVC or the other systems, then you just go through that BOQ and understand what are the scope are there in the electrical system and what are the quantity, all those things, all the details you will get from that particular BOQ. So that is a wrong practice. Why wrong practice? I'll tell you. Then you may starting with the GFC. Go directly to the wood for construction drawing or the execution drawing, and you are starting your job. You are starting your work at site level or whatever other activity you may start. The planning, scheduling, and other things maybe. Okay. So reading GFC and the execution drawing from your starting. I am talking about the initial point of view whenever you are starting a project. Okay, starting with the BOQ, that is a wrong practice. Starting with the GFC or execution drawing, that is also a wrong practice. And follow courier service methodology. What is courier service methodology? That is, whenever you are getting something from your vendor, just pass on to the client when you are in the contractor side, or even though you are from the client side, you are getting some technical stuff, technical data sheet or something, some drawings and all. You are maybe the in charge of that particular package. So whenever it is come to you, you just pass on to all the data to your department, maybe design department or the procurement department. Same for the contractor. Whenever you are getting the data, and just by making a transmittal and send to the client, and it will be when it will be approved, then you will pass on to the vendor or the OEM or the contractor. Okay, that way many people are doing. I also done this the same way. That is the reason why I'm discussing with you all those stuff. So that is also a wrong practice. Another practice is lack of patience on reading document. Okay, see, some of the documents is huge document. Maybe is the whenever some deliverables is submitted from somebody else, even the drawings on the TDS or the GA drawing, all those stuffs. We are not so much, we are not giving so much time and the efforts to read everything in details. Okay, lack of patience. So you need to be avoid that also. Falling trap by client or vendor. What is this? Suppose you are a contractor, or I'm giving example from that point of view. So client is asking something, they want to change something in the execution side or in the procurement, they want to asking some different thing. You need to give this kind of stuff because it will give you a benefits or something like that. Okay, there is a many ways, and sometimes vendor also make a trap. Okay, now anybody, can you give one example? What is fall in trap by client or vendor? Any idea? Anyone? Fall in trap by client means what?
They wanted us to do beyond BOQ works, and they will promise, they give false promise to, we will make payment in some other items or something like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So it is happening, right?
Yeah.
It is practical.
Yes, practical.
So same, you can say from vendor side also sometimes it is happening. Okay, they are also giving you a false promise, and later stage it was not happen. So that is a fall in trap by client and vendor. Now next is the hesitate to gather knowledge from experienced person. So many of us hesitating to learn from somebody else, from our co-workers also, who are already there in that particular your company or your project. Okay, so that is also another thing. Misleading, yes. And another avoid is lack of taking ownership. You're not taking ownership, you're not taking responsibility, and it will sometimes you are not able to manage the project properly. So these are the things need to avoid. Don't start with BOQ first. I will tell you the sequence how to go through the project from day one.